What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Dijs University and welcome to the Native Ads Journey Part 1.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
We're going to do something I've never seen being done on YouTube, which is the live documentation of a real native ads campaign on scale. And we're going to focus on something quite unique, which is Nutra trials. Within the health vertical, we're going to Nutra and we're going to dietary supplements, quite aggressive offers, and these are trial offers. So I had to search everywhere. Through a referral, I got to a private network, which is very trustworthy. So that's the good news. And we're going to run Nutra trials from scratch on this specific network with all the tools. So in this series, I will show you real testing, real optimizing, real scaling, all the tools I use, how I build my landers. So sometimes it might be a little slow because I'm going to record everything in a real journey step by step. So the budget I've allocated for this project is in US dollars, 10,000 US dollars, for me to be able to make this Nutra trials work. Whether it's on one campaign or spread across several campaigns, I still have to analyze. My contact at my traffic source provided me with several whitelists for several exchanges. Obviously, I'm a very big spender. I'm a very good customer of theirs, so they provide me with these added tools. I will show you all of them, how they work, why they work that way, which exchanges I'm running, which placements I'm running. So complete transparency there. 10,000 euros, $10,000 actually as the budget, which is around, I would say, 9,200 euros, with a CPA on the offer of, I believe, $38 with a $48 upsell. So the take rate on an upsell is around 50%, quite high, but I'm going to focus the initial process until I get the upsells on a target CPA, of which we will optimize on $38. And you can follow throughout this journey, everything step by step. If you have questions about anything, if you have suggestions of what you would like to see, this time I'm showing almost everything. You can comment them below this video. Give me a thumbs up if you're excited about this journey, and let's see what else we got. So we'll focus on the United States. I have a $10,000 budget for a reason, because I want to focus on tier 1. The steps, the metrics, the variables I show you, I teach you throughout this native ads journey, you can apply to all the geos. Some user behavior patterns like quality of traffic might differ per geo. However, I do realize not everybody has a $10,000 budget, right? So even if you have $500, $200, go for tier 3, go for tier 2. There are a lot of Nutra trials available outside the US, but almost none inside the US. The tracker we're going to use, well, I'm going to use, is volume. The spy tool I'm going to use is Anstrax. I'm making the switch from Adplexity to Anstrax. It's a lot cheaper. It took me a little bit of time to figure out how it works, but I really like it. So now I'm going to use Anstrax. And as a traffic source, I'm going to use Volume, DSP, a demand-side platform. I'm going to switch a lot between exchanges if needed. So I run through the DSP. I'm going to take you on this journey through the following steps. So just to make sure everything is clear for you, and what everybody has asked me about 1,000 times for real, is like, Colin, you show all these demo campaigns, you show how it works, why don't you ever show us a real campaign? And the basic methodology behind it is, everybody steals my campaigns, right? If I show you how it works, I'm not talking about you specifically, but the hundreds, maybe thousands of other people watching this will copy exactly what I'm doing. I have dedicated this budget in order to show you guys, in order to educate you guys, 100% free. I don't want anything in return. If this campaign is a big winner, that's my gift to you. If it's a big loser, we all have learned something, because the media buying steps for winning and losing campaigns are the same. It's testing, optimizing, scaling, in that order. Sometimes we keep it at the testing phase because it's not a winner. Sometimes we go through the optimization phase, it's not a winner, but obviously we all aim for the goal, that is the scaling, that we hit gold and we scale to the next level. Obviously for beginners, it's usually 1 out of 10, 1 out of 12 campaigns that are profitable. For me, I would say it's 50-50 on this one. It is the Same vertical I'm used to, which is Nutra, which I specialize in, with a new model, which is trials, right? I have a lot of experience with video sales letters, advertorial straight sale, but now we're going to move into trials and in one of the most difficult markets. So I give myself 50-50 odds, or I optimize the campaign into a loss, or I optimize into big profit. But I am aware of my skills, so I think we can do really well. It just depends on the quality of the exchange. I don't really doubt any of my skills. So this is a big new opportunity. Of course, as I said, I want to give full transparency. On YouTube, I'm going to show you 90% of the information, testing, optimizing the numbers, everything. There are some features like the affiliate network, which I cannot show you on camera. So I will show you some features. It will all be blacked out, unfortunately, as that is the deal. I am allowed to make it public to a very limited group of people. This is not a sales method. You don't have to join my forum because I don't think the network will matter very much at all. It's only for high-ranking affiliates. However, you can get these trial offers on Gotcha, Yep Ads, Affiliates, all outside the US. I document my full journey every single day in the Dijs University forum, in written format, showing you things I cannot show on YouTube for obvious reasons. If you have any questions about this journey, if you have suggestions on what you would like to see, if you have questions regarding how things work, why things work in a certain way, this is your one, and I would say only opportunity to tap into information which has never been shown before on YouTube. We all see the campaigns I have done, which hundreds of people do, show you how it works, but not show you a real campaign for obvious reasons. So I don't blame them, I don't blame myself, because it's normal. We don't want to show winning campaigns because people are going to steal it, right? People are going to copy paste it and they don't know what they're doing. It's shit, right? But this is actually a real life documentation of a real campaign, which might only last 7 days, or it might last 2 months. Right? How we're going, how we're progressing. I will show you what I learned with the Nutra trials, why, how, what bothers me, where I see opportunities, and maybe I learn something from the trials and apply it to straight sale. Maybe I learn something from the trials and it's big and I blow it up. Maybe I copy it to a different vertical. I don't know. We're going to go get started with a $10,000 budget, and obviously this is going to be a great learning experience. Obviously, by investing that money, I don't only want to learn it myself, which is, I would say, is the most important thing, but I also dedicated this amount to give back to you guys, to give you full information on everything we learn, everything we're seeing, so you can apply those methods yourself and hopefully become an insane media buyer, super affiliate in your journey in the online marketing space. So we're going to get started with this journey soon. I'm prepping the materials, I'm documenting everything from basic tracker setup to what we're doing. I'm not going to do buying domain and shit, but all the actual media buying steps like ads, headlines, advertorials, I will all show them to you live on camera, why and how. So some videos might be very long. If I have to make a full advertorial, it might take 2 hours, 2.5 hours, but you will see exactly the measurements I take and why I take them on a real campaign. So not a dummy. If you're excited, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, have any questions, drop them below, and I will see you guys at the start of the journey in the next video.